Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect WP form after submission based on multiple choice or radio button select by user using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are not using WP Form Pro plugin, we are using free version, and then you see multiple choice radio button. So when users select WordPress or CSS or PHP, then redirect to different link using custom code. Now go to form builder and then you see field multiple choice we are using, and then you see ID 5 and our form ID is 2782. Now you see, so when person select WordPress, CSS or PHP, then redirect to different link based on user selection. First we are going to set confirmation setting. On left side you see settings, so click on it and then you see confirmation. Now you see confirmation type, drop down, now select go to URL redirect and then you see confirmation redirect URL. So you can add form page URL. So this is our form, so we added this URL. Now back to form builder and then click on save. Now form save done, go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our function name and then you see form ID 2782. So you can add your form ID here and then you see form value of field for value. Now go to form builder, now go to field. So we are in multiple choice and then you see ID 5. Now back to code, then add your field ID 5. So you can add your field ID and then you see form value of WordPress. Now go to form builder again and then you see WordPress, back to code and then you see if user select WordPress from radio or multiple choice button, then open google.com. If user select CSS, then open this link. If user select PHP, then open this link. If you want to add more, then copy as if and then paste, then add your radio button value here and then add your URL. So it's up to you. Now remove it and then you see else URL, keep the current redirect URL that is set in the form builder setting and then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved, go to form page and refresh the page. So now we are going to fill this form. Now add name, then add last name. Now you see multiple choice radio button, select WordPress, add email and then click on submit. And then you see redirect to google.com when we select WordPress. Now back to form again, so fill this form again. Now add name and then you see multiple choice, select CSS, then add email and then click on submit. And then you see redirect to btdigital.ch website. So you can add radio button value in custom code according to your requirement and you can add URL link according to your requirement. Now back to code and then you see PHP, CSS, WordPress, field ID 5, form ID 2782. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.